here's another TEMU haul. So it's easier when I get each package just to show you what I get in the package, but I get like packages every day and it's hard to remember to stack them all up. But I wanted to show you some really cool items. Now, one of the ways that you can really make it good on TEMU is when you do have to buy some bigger items, buy them and then use the thing they run this special. I found out it's only on your phone that you can do it because I've tried to do it on the desktop and it doesn't work on my computer. But on the phone, they'll let you do, try to get $100. So you have to spend X amount of dollars. I found typically it costs me about $100 to get $100. So it's not bad. But it is time consuming because you can only buy from the page that they give you and their algorithm keeps picking the same things that you already bought or that they think you're interested in and more of them. So it's not always easy to do it. So it just depends on how much time you have, whether it's worth playing that game or not. They also run other specials all the time. So I wanted to just show you a couple of the things that I got this time. So first I wanted to show you these really cool stickers. They have the best stickers at TEMU and washi tape. The only thing with the washi tape is you don't get a whole lot of it, right? But these are, I think I got these for $1.99, $1.98, but some of them, look how pretty those are. These are clocks. I love clocks. I love clocks and maps. Two things that I love. And so I have clocks in my home, regular analog clocks, and with the hands on there, I love them. So anyway, these were really pretty and you could ink them, paint them, whatever to make them, put them in tea dye, whatever to make them more antique-y. The next thing that I got, and I try to open them before I show them to you because it does make a lot of noise, but just so you know, they come in these plastic cellophane style packs and they're really easy to open most of the time. Of course, now it won't be, but they're noisy on camera, so I've noticed when other people do it, it's pretty noisy. And this one I might not be able to get open without scissors. Usually they come like you can open them without scissors really quick. So I apologize about this. I don't want to start my video again. Oh no, here they come. All right. So these ones are black and white stickers. And I've been trying to find, here, let me move these over so we can see what they look like on the table. Oh, they're so pretty, look. Okay, so we have flowers. Hopefully you can see all these. Am I in frame, I hope? Yeah. More flowers. These are so pretty. What I'd like to do with some of these is trace around them maybe and make some of my own so I can color them in. And look, they don't just repeat. That's one thing I like about the TEMU stickers. Like this isn't even the same as this. See that? It's not even exactly the same. This has one leaf coming out, this has two. And they're different flowers. And so you'll see that you get such a beautiful variety. It's just so pretty. These are now these ones I think cost me like $2.99, but you could just imagine, like this is a lot of stickers. I can't remember how many are in here, but it's a lot. And hopefully I'm still in frame. Okay, I think I am. I'm on my phone, so I don't always see. But look how many, they're just so pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh, that's really pretty. So they just have so many really pretty ones like that. And these are black and whites. These are so pretty in journaling and in junk journaling. All kinds of projects, actually. You can decoupage these, decorate a wood box with them and then put Mod Podge on top. Oh my gosh, that would be so beautiful. All right, the next thing that I got was this little sander. So these, and they send you a whole bunch. Now this one was like on sale for, I don't know, $2.99. I know you can get kind of like this at Dollar Tree, but this one's better because it'll tell you the grain that you get, or maybe not. I think they do. And then you just stick it on the back of this and do your sanding. So this is for little crafting projects, for journaling, junk journaling and stuff. And so what else I did was I got these pen ones too. So these are little sanders. See how they have a little pointy edge there? I love these because you can get into something really tiny that you just want to sand just a teeny tiny bit. So that was a really good deal. I got some more. I think you've seen on my other videos. Whenever I can get these 50 pieces of vellum paper, I'll order it. If I can get it for less than $5, and I think this one was on sale for $3.99, because in the store it's going to be a lot more, and this is an 8.5 by 11 size. So those were great. The next thing that I got was a magnetic. It just goes to 8 inches and 8 by 5, but that's fine. This is great. Like if you really want to position stamps or something like that. So I have rubber stamps and acrylic stamps. So my Misty press that I have for using clear stamps doesn't work the same way like for rubber stamps. So this I thought might be good. But then I also got double-sided or really strong tape. I don't think these are double-sided. No, I did need these from some other projects in my house. So I got like 3 of them. These are not doubles. This one might be double tape. Let me see. But I know that I got some of these to be, because they're supposed to hold really, really a ton of weight. So I have some things I want to hang in the office. And no, it's not double-sided. But this is supposed to be really, really strong tape. So we'll find out. And so I got 3 different sizes of that. And then I got this. So I'm going to open this for you. But this they put in the same bag. You see how it's wrinkled here? And this is one of the things I hear people complaining about, is the way that they ship doesn't always do. So now what I'm going to do is, all you have to do with this is go into your TEMU account on your phone, go to your orders, click start a return, take a photo of this, and you will get your money back. So it'll refund you right away, because see, it's all wrinkled and it's beautiful paper. So I don't think I want to open it before. Let me just see if I can close it back up. I might be able to. Let's see if we can do it this way, so we can look at the pages. I might still just send it in this way. So this is so pretty. And so what's going to happen is I'll get a refund, and then I'll look in my order and order this again when it goes on sale. I like it. It looks very dimensional. It looks almost like 3D, but it's not. Some really pretty papers. But it is all bent, so depending on what you use. Now, this is not cardstock, so that's another thing. You always want to check the GSM, but this is okay, because this would make beautiful journal covers. Absolutely beautiful journal book covers. So pretty. This is gorgeous. So you can get some really nice, quality papers from TEMU. Always watch to see how many you get, because now that they have local sellers, like I've taught you before, is what'll happen is they'll be selling paper, but you could go to Michael's and get it on sale for cheaper or even the same price. So it just depends. So here, but the colors are just gorgeous, aren't they? This is so pretty. There was I just saw a lady do on YouTube. I was watching her making those, old-fashioned card catalog kind of storage units, and she made them all out of paper, but this paper's not heavy enough. You have to kind of do it out of 110 GSM, which is like a index heaviness. So this one, I can't remember how many sheets. I think it was like 30 sheets in here. It doesn't tell you. But no, it's not 30. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's 12. So it's 12 sheets. Well, I'll get my money back for that one. Now, for the really cool thing. And this one, I had no idea what it was going to be like. And this was on sale for I think it was like $6. And it was a whole set of these. So it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this one I opened so I can show you everything that comes in the little kit. So what is that, 6? So that's like $1 each. You couldn't even get this nice quality at the Dollar Tree, or even this variety. So it's different colors. So I got a purple one. This is like a mauve blue, and then the green, the beige color, and a pink. So let's open up the turquoise blue one so we can see what's all inside. So it comes like this, with this little guy on top like this, and then I took that off, and these little buttons were on top. Really adorable little buttons, great for like journaling and making enclosures or tags, whatever. So this is the first piece of paper, first piece, which is like this spider webby kind of material, and then another one like that. So two of those, and then one of these, which is like a splattered of like some paint on it. Isn't that cool? And then a different kind of a spidery webby kind of paper. It's so pretty. And then this one even has like a little feather sewn into it a little bit. They're so pretty. And then these are little papers that came in the pack. So we got this one all along the same kind of color scheme. Oh, this is gorgeous. And this isn't textured, but it looks textured. And then more paper. All of these will be the papers. And they're good quality papers for journaling, junk journaling, projects, covering, you know, making some decoupage, using some Mod Podge over it to make different things. Pretty. And each one of them's just, you know, unique in its own way, huh? That's really pretty too. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I like that. I like it when it's like that pretend texture. And paint spattering. Another paint spatter style. So each one of these are going to be like this. I'm not going to open up all of them, obviously. But how cute is that? That, I think, was what I wanted to show you the most. That's my favorite thing I think I've gotten from TEMU. Oh, besides those black and white stickers in a long time. Oh, it's so cute. I mean, it's just adorable. I'll use my little zippered envelopes for these to save each one. So that's my TEMU haul for the week. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, one more thing I forgot, sorry, is I always love to connect their containers, but you want to make sure that you're getting them at the same price or better than at the Dollar Tree if you live near a Dollar Tree, because these you can get. Now my Dollar Tree didn't have these, and I got 4 of these for $6. So it was $5, I'm sorry. So 4 of these for $5. So basically the same as if they had them at the Dollar Tree, but they don't have this exact size at the Dollar Tree. And so I'm always looking for it because I get tons of the small ones from TEMU and Dollar Tree. But this is great to cook because I get some bigger stickers and things, and these would be great for that, to add for those. So I'm happy about these. These fit in my nice IKEA desks nicely as well. All right, so that's it for today. See you on the next haul.